Hey guys, welcome back to Jersey Shore Beers and Brews Reviews. Friday night, waiting on dinner to come out of the oven. Figured I'd get another beer in. This one is by Flying Monkeys Craft Brewery. It's called Juicy Ass IPA. Strong beer, Forte, 6.5%. It's got some comic stuff on it. Juicy is the word we use when we talk about hops. Our award-winning American IPA Moosh's bright, fruity notes, dank hoppy bitterness, and fresh, virulent resins with sticky malts for a softly carbonated, unfiltered flavor. They're out of Canada, it looks like. It says 107 Dunlop Street, Barrie, Ontario, Canada, Earth, Milky Way, the universe, infinity. From the busy minds and happy hands of the Flying Monkeys, enjoy Juicy Ass IPA, a golden ambrosia of beautiful hops with notes of pine, tangerine, and passion fruit. Plump and juicy. Juicy Ass is a fun, delicious craft beer. Sounds cool, right? Let's see what it's got. Come on, hit me with your best shot. Uh-oh. What is up with these guys in the carbonations, man? Thank God I'm reacting quick, even after a couple. Whew. Only got a little thing on the thing. A little thing on the thing. A little spill to clean up. It's gonna be all sticky. I don't know what's going on with that. Over-carbonating, guys. You are over-carbonating your beers. Nice head develops on the thing. It is definitely hazy. Any kind of aroma. Oh yeah, banging hops. Oh, you guys are all doing the citrus thing. Citra hops. Come on, think out of the box. There's other ones that are out there. I don't know why hazy juicy has become like a thing. It's a good beer, don't get me wrong. It's a good style, if you will. But there's so many styles out there, guys. Open up your minds. Think out of the box. Go down the road, pick up something else. Brown ales and purple ales and whatever you want. There's different ales out there. You know, and then you can start adding in the lagers. People are doing some pretty cool things with lagers. Look at that creamy head. Just like, I don't know, what's that, like almost an inch out of the pint glass? Whew. I'm sure it's gonna be banging. What else could it be? Sometimes, you know. And we all love it. Hopheads love IPAs. I'm a little bit more than a hophead, but I'm a hophead. I get it. A little bit more bitter up front than the other ones. Cleans up well. It's almost it's abrupt. That bitterness is abrupt. It's like, whew. All right, well, cool, it's gone. So kind of like this one definitely smacks you in the face. No doubt about it. Wow. There's so many good beers out there. It's almost a little too abrupt. It's borderline. It works. But you're gonna be like, whoa, that was pretty brutal. But it's gone now. So let's keep going. That's my thought on it anyway. I don't think it's gonna go into the 8s, that's for sure. It's just missing something there that there's something about it that I'm not digging, although the overall picture is very good. Pretty cool can. Really cool can. You know, at least you got your artists involved in it. 6.5. That's a pretty standard hazy, juicy, plump, and unfiltered. something is a little bit off. And I don't mean off like in, oh, that's, no, that's, no. Because I've brewed some beers where, you know, I brew with tap water here, and from the town, in the middle of the summer, they started adding chlorine. I didn't catch it. I brewed a beer with it. It tastes like Band-Aids. We call it the Band-Aid beer. It won't get you sick or nothing, just tastes like, ugh. What's the word? Tastes like ass? I don't know. Yeah. So that became, you know, our beers to consume while we were making beers. This, I think I'm going to come in on the lower 7s. I'm not even going to make that 7.5 mark. I think I'm going to come in at like 7.3. I would get it again. I would definitely drink it again if you handed it to me. It's not something I would refuse. There are some beers that I would refuse. They're in the 6s. This one, I'm not really. It's just something you need to be prepared for. You need to know that taste is coming. Yeah, that's where we're going to be. So anyway, guys, subscribe to the channel. Check out the drones. I'm going to get you guys a picture of the dog, Spirit, because he's just being a pain in the butt today. You know, it got cool for the first day in like, I don't know how long. And he's fired up, man. And it's Friday. I'm fired up. I'm ready to get some food in my gut. And let's get it done. All right, guys? Be safe out there. Party on. Peace, guys. Peace.